guys, it's me and it's Sunday and I got my mini packages from Walmart the other day. I think I got them Friday and I'm somewhat disappointed. There's a few things in here that may work, but I'm more disappointed in myself because I ordered a lot of sweaters. I do wear some type of summer sweaters, especially like if you're staying at the beach. It gets cooler at night. It's just nice to have, and it's good to have a cardigan or something to take with you, blazers, whatever, to go into restaurants. And I'm hoping one day North Carolina will open up. I mean, we can go to restaurants now, but it's still not the same. So I'm gonna open, and I already opened this package, but I'm gonna show you everything. I've only looked at it once, so I'll kind of form my opinion with you. There are, oh, John's leaving for the gym. There are definitely some duds in here. So I don't know what, I just didn't place a good order. There's a few things in here I might like. The first thing came the other day, and this I knew was a crazy gamble. It was a necklace, and on the website, it was one of like the third-party sellers, and on the website it said 18 karat gold herringbone necklace, regular price, I think it was like $800, and they were selling it for like $13 or something like that. And I thought, what the heck? I ordered it because I thought, well, maybe it is just like some crazy fluke and I'm gonna find something so great to tell everybody about. I got it, and John looked at it and said it was not real gold, and then he looked at the listing and said somewhere he found that it was gold filled. And then I was like, okay, whatever. I didn't spend enough money on it to worry about it. Then I went to go put it on this morning, and I cannot even get the clasp open. I mean, it will not budge. So that is one thing about it. Even if you order online, you can take it to your local Walmart and get your money back. What they've done with me in the past is I can even look up the order number in my email, and then they can pull it up. I'm not sure about this since it's like not one of their regular sellers. I don't know, we'll see, but I kind of deserve that. Okay, this was nice. I know I liked this. This is from Free Assembly, and it is the split neck tie top. I actually got this, so some of it I got Thursday and some of it I got Friday. This was in a separate package, but this is really cute. See how it has like that? It's not really a peplum. It's just a little bit of a blousy bottom. You know what? I have on a bodysuit, but I could probably try this right on. My outfit is, I'll explain it when I do my outfit of the day, but I'm doing an inspiration outfit today, and I'm not hitting it on the mark, but I wanted to try it anyway, and I might see if I can get a better blazer if I go out and feel like going in anywhere. Sometimes I don't mind putting the mask on real quick and running in somewhere, and then sometimes I just like, oh, forget it. So let's try this on just so you can see how cute it is. Okay, let me move this chair back. Okay, I feel like the bodysuit underneath it is going to mess it up, but I like this. Goodness. Okay, I think in the summertime this will look amazing with jeans, like any jeans or your shorts, or I wouldn't wear anything baggy. I would probably wear the skinny jeans or something like that underneath it. I just think it's cool, and I don't know if I would even, you could tie it, but I think I would just, you know, go with the casual look. So I think this was worth it, and everything I got I think came in like a bunch of different colors. Of course, I always choose pink, purple, black. That one is a good one. I'm gonna keep this. This is my receipt. This is the thing that I am hopeful for. I haven't tried it on yet. I kind of set everything aside. I opened it right at dinner time, and but this is the Scoop. No, it's Free Assembly boyfriend blazer. I think this is going to be a good one. Yes. Oh, I love this. Okay, I'm just going to have to steam it, and I always forget, does it have one of those things in the back? It doesn't. I always forget to undo that. Okay, I really, really like this. It's kind of cottony feeling, and sometimes I don't like wooden buttons, but because it doesn't have like a bunch of them, it isn't double-breasted, it doesn't kook me out. I love the sleeve length. Okay, I love everything about this. It has good shoulder pads, but they're kind of modest shoulder pads, and I really like this. Okay, so this is definitely a keeper. I know I look ridiculous. I look like Grape Ape or Barney, but when I show you the picture, you'll get it. Okay, I ordered some t-shirts, and I love both of them, but I accidentally, sometimes what I do is when I see something come through or I see something on someone's video, I'll just go put it in my cart, and then I'll end up putting it in there again. And I think that's what happened with this, because I ended up ordering 2 of these gray t-shirts. So I think I'm going to take probably one of these to my mom, because I think, well, I don't know, she wouldn't want a small. Okay, I have to take that back too. But here again, it's that dark, you know, I just love this kind of gray that just goes with so much, and it's a small, and no matter what, I know I'm going to like this. I can always use a t-shirt, and I liked it in this red color. This with khakis. Oh, that's a good match. Okay, now we're getting into the sweatery stuff. I see it at the bottom. Okay, I got these, and I haven't tried them on yet. So let's try these on. They are the high-rise wide leg crop in size 4. And they look crazy big, but maybe they will fit well. So let's try these on. Okay, they are too big. But they still look pretty good. I mean, they're kind of long. I don't know if you can see me. Yeah, I think you can. And they do have the distressed knee. I like that. I love the color. They are soft. They are stretchy. But I think I would just need to size down maybe 1, because they're loose and they will just get looser, like right in here. But they really are better looking than I thought they would be when I put them on. And there is the back. Do these make my butt look big? Okay, so here we go with this, and I love this. I think this is what really just got me to go ahead and do a whole big order that day. But I just love this so much, and it is a little bit heavy. I got a medium because I wanted it, like, you know, plenty big, but it's 100% acrylic, so it's going to be warm. You know what I mean? It's probably not going to be the sweater that you take out in the summertime, but I still love it. I think it's really cute. I love like the popcorn. It just reminds me of like the Afghans and stuff that my grandmother would make. And I love that it doesn't really have a, you know, closure. I don't know. I just don't know though, because I bought it for the summer. So I don't know if it's going to be, you know, what I want it for. Because I was thinking it would go great over just like a slip dress or something like that. I don't know. You have to let me know what you think. I think this was a good one. Another sweater. And this is just, okay, this is like a little puff sleeve black sweater that I was thinking would look good over slip dresses. You know how people do that where it looks like they're wearing a skirt because they've got this over. Oh, it's got nice, I love these types of sleeves. Good length. And this is really a cute sweater. I think it's kind of plain. I just didn't do as good as I usually do. What do you think? I do love this, and I think it's a good length. It's just not, I think I would rather have something a little bit more cropped to go with a midi dress. So I think this will probably end up going back unless Brooke wants it, but she isn't going to want it. It's not, definitely not her vibe. This, okay, I'm going to save the best for last. Another sweater. And you guys know I love like this sleeve like this, but I can just look at this. I should have known. I just am not crazy about the wood buttons, or they're not even wood. They're just kind of like tortoiseshell, and they really aren't that bad. Okay, let me try this on for you just because it's easy and you might like it. I always love oh, they do have nice sleeves. I mean, it does have nice sleeves. Okay. I'm not crazy about that. Sorry, I feel like I'm being a downer, you guys. If you get something, get the that blazer, the boyfriend blazer, and those jeans. Just, I would, if you're in between sizes in jeans, size down. Okay. I think this is what did it all. It was either this one or the pink one, but that's what started the whole thing. Is this not the sweetest little girl sweater? I mean, this reminds me so much of something I would have worn like to church, and I would always buy Brooke one of these every year right around Easter, and then she could use it for church and everything for the rest of the year. But it also is acrylic. I just was hoping it would be more like a cottony feeling. And this one I kind of bought to wear, you know, as a top. Okay, it's 45% acrylic, 30% polyamide, and 25% polyester. So I'm gonna put it on just to show you because it's so daggone cute. Now this one would look better over a slip dress for sure. This is more like the length that I was thinking. What do you guys think? I'm on the fence about this one. It actually looks good with these pants. Okay, I might wait to take this stuff back and just let you guys tell me what you think. Okay, now I feel like I need to show you what outfit I was trying to channel here. I saw this, here, let me put my jacket back on. Okay, I saw this picture online on Instagram, and at first I thought it was Ariel Snyder, and I sent it to her. I said, I thought this was you. And then I just loved this whole look, and here it is. And of course I'll put it up here so you can see it better. But so that's kind of what I'm going for today. Of course, her outfit is matching. I did not have anything to match these pants, but I knew that it was enough of the same tone I could probably get away with it. And I wish my jacket were lighter. So I might go see if H&M, this is a men's H&M, I might go see if H&M has a good light jacket. Not khaki, but a little bit lighter. I'm not sure. I might just go see what they have. I got the shoes. I've always wanted to try these shoes, and I chicken out every time. I always think, no, you know, I might not like them or whatever. But when I saw this, I thought, that's it. I'm gonna get the shoes. So let me go get my shoes, and then I've got the two hats that I've got this one that I showed you guys the other day from Gap. But I think with this, I think even this, one thing I did like about this is, see how shallow that hat is? So it doesn't give you any, like, you know, you never know whether to tuck your ears in or to pull them out or this or that. This one is so shallow that there's no ear situation. This one, I remember I wore the black one because I got this one and the black one. This one has a little bit of an ear situation. Not too much, but see, my ears right there, I have to either tuck them in or like that. So I think I'll probably end up wearing that Gap one just because it is a little bit more comfortable. Let me show you the shoes, hold on. Here they are in all their glory, and I have to say, they are fabulous. They are so fabulous. You know, I have let me get my other ones. I have these that I bought last year, the Bottega. These are the stretch sandals, And so I always, you know, I love these. And so when I would look at these, I was thinking, oh, I already have these. You know, it's because it's that real square toe look. But I always just love the way these looked. They're totally different. See how this gives you a much bigger, wider toe. These are like, they're not hard to walk in, but you have to put them on good. You know what I mean? These, I always wondered, were they going to be uncomfortable because of this? But look how they have that nice little smooth thing in there. And then I always wondered, was this going to be too rough? It's not. These actually, I haven't worn them. I'm going to wear them today for the first time. And there's lots of colors. Matter of fact, there's different nudes. And Ariel and I were talking about it. I was trying to figure out which one she was wearing, and we thought it was this one. I think it's called Sand Nude or something like that. But I'm glad I got this nude. I really like it. Okay, right off the bat, I'm not going to wear this just because it's just so wrong. They're very, very comfortable feeling, very sturdy, and love it. So glad I got these. Okay, what I might do is put on a white tank under this and just go for it and see how it goes. Oh, sorry, I forgot to move you back up. So let me go ahead and show you everything else that I'm wearing today. I didn't put any earrings in because I just thought if I wear that hat, that's gonna be enough. I straightened my hair yesterday, and there is just something about when I straighten my hair, it's harder to go as many days, so it's kind of just flat. I just didn't feel like loading it with all kinds of junk, so it's a perfect hat day. And oh my goodness, have you guys noticed my ring? I also ordered this last week and it just got here. It is a Kendra Scott ring. And you know, I love that shape, like the one that my parents got me. And this one is actually adjustable. I think you have to order, there might be like 2 different sizes to order from, and I'll put down below which one I ordered. But this one will fit, I could open it if I wanted to wear it on my pointer finger, but it fits my middle finger perfectly. And I've just been loving these nails. Matter of fact, when I was getting ready, I was thinking, do I want to do a video today? And I was thinking I might do like some things that I've been loving, like some latest favorites. These were going to be in there. There is just something about this design, the funky design, but yet it's not too crazy funky, and it's still kind of nude. And these nails just fit my nails very, very well. Like, I like this shape too better than the square, but I don't know if you can tell, they just, hey Nene, they just fit right in my nail beds so nicely. So they stay on. Matter of fact, before I put these on, I painted my real nails with base coat, just the OPI natural nail base coat, because I like to take mine off after like a week and put something new on. Okay, you guys, is that it? I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday, even though I probably won't get to post this until Monday. And I'm going to go out and... Are you so curious about this box? Or do you want to get up here? She wanted to get up here. They love this, my makeup table here, because they look out the window. And she will growl at the people walking by. So funny. Okay, you pull it and then you tuck it right in this little pocket here. Kind of cool. And gosh, how many tags? Oh my goodness. I am the biggest fashion faux pas person. Okay. Okay, love it.